Hello and welcome to SOC Compass. Today we're going to go through the APT28 initial access scenario from TryHackMe. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to copy the title, click on View Workspaces, click on Create Workspace, then paste the title in the workspace name. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to Documentation and we're going to copy all of these tabs into the workspace context. I'm going to do that. I'm going to pause the video, do that, and then come back. Okay, that's all completed. Now we're going to open the playbook content section and we're going to do the same thing but for the playbooks. We're going to copy all of these playbooks into the playbook content section. I'm going to pause the video here, do that, and then come back. Okay, that has been completed, and for this scenario we're going to choose human in the loop. There's going to be another video which is for automatic, for the AI to do everything automatically, but now we're going to do human in the loop. Human in the loop means that the analyst, we're going to be executing all the commands that the AI needs. What we're going to do is we're going to copy over the main webhook URL. Now the main webhook URL will be configured depending on the system you're running and stuff like that. I pre-configure one for TryHackMe scenarios, but once you join with us, we'll pre-configure one for you. Then once we pasted that in, we're going to click Create Workspace. And that's it. We have successfully completed the workspace, created the workspace, and now we're in workspace context, playbook context. We can edit, we can do anything we want here. We got hook configuration, which we can amend whichever we want as well. Then what we're going to do, we're going to click workspaces. We're going to star this workspace. Starring this workspace means that it's going to be the default for analysts. What we're going to do is I'm going to log out from the owner POV and we're going to enter the analyst POV. I'll be right back. Okay, now we have officially entered the analyst POV. What we're going to do now is we're going to click View Conversations. We're going to click Create New Conversation, and then we're again going to copy the title for the scenario. We're going to paste that into the title. And then we're going to enter anything we want in the conversation context. We don't have to put anything here, so we're not going to, but if the analyst wants to, they can. Then we're going to click Create Workspace. Then once we've created the conversation, we're going to enter the alert queue. We're going to expand the alert queue, the first alert. We're going to copy all of the alert. We're going to paste it in. We're going to enter the event ID 2000. Then we're going to hit Send. Now once we send, we're going to now you see the AI wants us to do something here. They want us to enter this alert, enter this Splunk query. But we'll minimize that for now. You can still open it, but it's minimized. But what we're going to do first, we're going to copy the next alert in. We're going to copy all of that. We're going to paste it in. And then we're going to add to queue. We're going to change the event ID to 2001. Then we're going to add to queue. Now, we're going to copy this Splunk query in. We're going to open our Splunk dashboard. Let's give it a second to open. We're going to click search and then we're going to paste that Splunk query in and we're going to click enter. Now all we're going to do now is copy everything. We don't have to understand what's going on or anything. Copy that, paste it in, submit results, and that's it. We have to wait for the AI to do its thing and then it will come back to us whenever it wants something, or it will do the alert report. I'm going to pause the video here and then when the AI is ready, we'll come back. The AI has come back and it wants us to do some more queries. We're going to copy this. We're going to paste this in. Click enter. No results found. We're going to say to the AI, no results found. We're going to then copy the query 2, paste that in. Click enter. No results found. No results found. Finally, we're going to enter the query 3, copy that, paste that in, enter. No results found. We're going to click no results found. And finally, we're going to choose query 4, copy that, paste that in, no results found. We're going to say no results found. We're going to submit the results to the AI and then let the AI do its thing. I'll pause the video here and I'll come back once the AI comes back to us. The AI has come back to us with more queries it wants us to run. We're going to copy that. We're going to paste that in. We're going to click enter. And as you can see, a query came back. We're going to copy the whole results, including the column and the rows. We're going to paste that in. Then we're going to do the same thing for query 2. Copy that, paste that in, click enter. I'm going to copy all of the results, paste it in. Then we're going to click submit results, and we're going to wait until the AI comes back to us. The AI has come back to us for more queries to run. We're going to copy that in. We're going to paste that in. No results found. We're going to say no results found. We're going to do the same thing for query 2. Copy that, paste that in, enter, no results found, no results found. And we're going to do it finally for query 3. Copy that, paste that in, enter, no results found. And we're going to say no results found. We're then going to click submit results, and I'll come back to you once the AI wants something from us or the AI has finished processing this alert. A few things happened here. I'm going to minimize that. As you can see, the AI has completed the alert report. It has managed to find that this was a false positive. Perfect. It put all the details that we need, everything else like that. And then because we added the second alert to the queue, it automatically started the second alert process. Before we start doing that alert, let's click here, then click agent report, and now we will only see the agent report and nothing else. Let's start off with this. We're going to copy this query in and I paste that in, click enter. We're going to copy all of this that the AI wants. We're going to paste it into query 1 and we're going to click submit results, and we will wait, and I'm going to pause the video here and I'll come back once the AI found something else it wants us to do. The AI has come back and there's more things it wants us to do. We're going to copy query 1, we're going to paste it in, click enter, it found something. We're going to copy all the results, paste that in. We're going to do the same thing for query 2. Copy that, paste that in, no results found. We're going to say no results found. And we're going to do it finally for query 3, same thing, copy that, paste that in, enter, no results found. No results found. And now we're going to click submit results. And now I'll pause the video here again and I'll come back once the AI wants us to do something else. The AI wants to do another 2 queries. We're going to copy that, we're going to paste that in, click enter, and we're going to copy all of these results. We're going to paste that in. Same thing for query 2. Copy that, paste that in, enter, and then we're going to copy all of the results that came in. Copy that, paste that in, and then click submit results. And now we have to wait for the AI to come back. I'm going to pause here and I'll come back once the AI wants us to do anything else. Now, the AI has come back with its report and it's saying that this one is a true positive, which is, it is a scenario you're expecting that, but it's still not good to see. What we're going to do now is copy the first alert report. We're going to take ownership of the first alert. We're going to click white case report, false positive, white case report, paste that in, and then we're going to click submit and close ticket. Then we're going to do the same thing for the alert, for the second alert, copy that, paste that, click take ownership, white case report, true positive, white case report, enter all of this, click yes, submit and close, and we should see perfect. Victory, security breach prevented. We have successfully prevented the security breach. Perfect. Let's wait for the AI analysis to finish loading, because not only does this AI get the qualifications right, it can get the actual report correct. As you can see here, everything was included that it needs to be for us to get perfect scores. Same thing for the false positive. Now we don't have this AI analysis for the reporting for the case for the report, but I believe that's everything going to be included in there. What I'm going to do is show you 2 more neat tricks of this platform. I'm going to pause here, switch to the owner POV and come back. We switch to the owner POV. Now we're going to click compliance. This one is not SOC 2 compliant or anything. This is just an overall privacy dashboard to show you what happened during the alert process and everything, and to see what exactly happened. As you can see, these are our 2 alerts. We see we got 90 out of 100. We can click details and it shows us what happened. Now this is doing PII protection, but this is using machine learning, so it could be wrong. It shouldn't be emails, but this is an overall alert. You'll get to see more in-depth details of it later. We can go to flow, we get to see what happened during the alert, and then we can click download flow, open the alert here, and we can see exactly what happened. We can make sure that there was a person. You can see person 17. This is what the AI received. The AI received person 17. Instead of, we can go to data protection, And as you can see here, we PII protected everything. We can go to person 17. And we can see here it was level, so that's not a good example. But you can see person 1 is Ella, Olivia, who am I, something like that. We can see person 11. Let's see who person 11 was. Person 11 was Sid. Interesting. Then we can go to person 15. Let's see who person 15 was. This is all automated. Medium. We can go to person 10. Person 10 was Olivia. Because we done PII protection automatically, there are going to be some cases where there's false positive, but that's fine. The AI is smart enough to read through that. But the most important part is these names, Olivia and Olivia Bennett, the AI doesn't know what that means. It knows it's person 10, which is the power of this whole system that I built. That's basically it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we will be doing this automatically. Thank you. Bye.